This tutorial briefly introduces a Scilab connected object simulator, that is Scicos. Scicos can model and simulate dynamical systems including both continuous and discrete subsystems. Scicos also has friendly graphical user interface for editing models. Typing Scicos command in main Scilab window, an empty diagram opens up. It appears as shown. This window remains open during the entire Scicos session. We shall now construct a simple Scicos diagram. Scicos blocks required for this are contained in Edit, Palettes submenu. On selecting this, a window pops up. Select Sources palette. To copy a block from a palette to a diagram window, click on the block, then on the diagram window. This block is termed as an event generator block. It generates events that are spaced regularly in time. These events are used to activate the scope. They actually specify the instance when the scope displays the value of its input. Similarly, select Sinusoid Generator block. From Sinks palette, select a scope. From Linear palette, select a gain block. Now we shall position these blocks. For this, go to Edit, select Move. Click on the block to be moved. A single move command can move several blocks at a time. But a single align command cannot align several blocks at a time. We shall see that shortly. Go to Edit, Align, click on the first port, then on the second one. Again you need to go to Edit, Align, click on the first port, then the second one. Now we shall link them. Go to Edit, select Link, click on the output port, and then on the input or intermediary port. Follow the same procedure for linking other blocks. In order to vary the block parameters, go to Object, Open Set, click on the block. We shall keep 100 refresh period for the scope. Now save this diagram Go to diagram, save as, give the file name followed by the extension cos. Before simulating, we shall set the parameters. We shall keep final integration time to be equal to the refresh period of the scope. Save these changes, compile and run. Output is displayed on a graphic window. Now we shall learn to invoke help. Go to miscellaneous, select help, then click the block for which help needs to be invoked. One can go through these help files as required. Similarly, in case of a submenu, go to miscellaneous, help, go to the submenu for which help needs to be generated. An interesting part of Scicos is shortcuts. Go to miscellaneous, go to shortcuts. On selecting this, a list of shortcuts is available on main Scilab window. Thus, by pressing a single key, one can move a block, flip it, load a diagram, evaluate it, etc. A user can also give other shortcuts for the submenus required. Any diagram can be loaded as a palette by selecting Diagram, Load as Palette. This way, a user can put all the necessary blocks with their properties modified as required in a single diagram. A diagram can be saved as a palette by selecting Diagram, Save as Palette. Diagram so saved is available as a palette in the Edit Palettes menu.